The use of membrane lipid replacement with glycerophospholipids to gradually decrease the self-reported symptom severities in chemically exposed Gulf War veterans. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Approximately 700,000 United States Armed Forces personnel, along with armed forces from 30 coalition countries, were deployed to the Persian Gulf in 1991 to 1992 for support of military operations Operation Desert Shield, Operation Desert Storm, that are now known as the 1991 Gulf War. A large fraction of veterans of the 1991 Gulf War slowly developed multi-symptom chronic illnesses that have been termed Gulf War illnesses (GWI). Many, if not the majority, of these GWI patients were chemically exposed, and they now have few alternatives for the treatment of their symptoms. Membrane lipid replacement (MLR) with oral membrane glycerophospholipids has been used as a safe and effective approach for slowly extracting and removing hydrophobic organic molecules from cells and tissues by the process of chemical partitioning into phospholipid structures and exchange by a mass action process. In addition, MLR also enhances mitochondrial function. This combination treatment can decrease the severity of certain signs and symptoms associated with a variety of multi-symptom illnesses, including those environmental illnesses associated with chemical contamination. A preliminary open-label study was conducted on 20 male veterans who were deployed to combat areas in Kuwait and Iraq during the 1991 Gulf War and were exposed to toxic chemicals. These veterans subsequently became ill with GWI and were utilized in this pilot study. This clinical study was designed as an open-label, institutional review board-approved, preliminary or pilot clinical trial to study the effects of an all-natural glycerophospholipid chewable wafer supplement, patented Energy with NT factor lipids, on the severity of signs and symptoms of GWI patients over a 6-month period. The subjects took 6 g per day of the all-natural, oral MLR glycerophospholipids, and the severities of over 100 signs and symptoms were self-reported at various times using illness survey forms. 16 subjects in the study were fully compliant and completed the study. There were gradual and significant reductions of symptom severities in these patients in categories related to fatigue, pain, musculoskeletal, nasopharyngeal, breathing, vision, sleep, balance, urinary, gastrointestinal symptoms and chemical sensitivities. During the Gulf War, veterans were variously exposed to a number of chemical, biological, and radiological sources, in addition to physical and mental stressors. In addition, GWI patients were exposed to combinations of multiple agents and stressors, and this makes any treatment approach much more complex. During the study, there were no adverse incidents, and the study supplement was extremely well tolerated. It is concluded that MLR with moderate amounts of oral glycerophospholipids appears to be a safe, simple, and potentially effective method for slowly reducing the severity of multiple symptoms in chemically exposed veterans with multi-symptom illnesses (GWI). In addition, MLR also enhances mitochondrial function. This treatment was successfully used to slowly decrease the severity of certain signs and symptoms of chemically exposed veterans of the 1991 Gulf War. Introduction. The 1990 to 1991 Gulf War involved large-scale military deployment, during which many U.S. veterans were exposed to hazardous conditions like smoke from oil fires, chemical agents, and vaccines. After returning home, many veterans began experiencing a wide range of ongoing health problems, such as fatigue, memory issues, pain, and digestive and breathing difficulties, now known as Gulf War illness (GWI). The cause of GWI remains unclear, though it is believed to be linked to multiple chemical, environmental, and possibly infectious exposures during deployment. Treatments have been challenging due to the complexity of the condition. One promising approach involves membrane lipid replacement (MLR), a safe, oral supplement that may help remove harmful chemicals from the body and repair damaged cell membranes. Preliminary reports show that MLR can reduce fatigue and other symptoms in some veterans. This study explores the effectiveness of MLR in improving health outcomes in veterans diagnosed with GWI. Conclusion: MLR with oral membrane glycerophospholipids was demonstrated to be a safe and effective method for slowly partitioning and removing hydrophobic organic molecules from cells and tissues. In addition, MLR also enhances mitochondrial function. This treatment was successfully used to slowly decrease the severity of certain signs and symptoms of chemically exposed veterans of the 1991 Gulf War. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.